Hello and welcome to another in the series of Toolbox talks aimed at you, the managers and supervisors within the company, to inform and instruct you in the elements of the company's safety management system. The aim of these instructional films is to provide you with the required information to deliver the monthly Toolbox talks to your teams, as well as providing you with more detail and information so that you can confidently deliver the talk and deal with any questions that may arise. As you will recall from earlier Toolbox talks, a safety management system comprises of 6 main parts: a policy, how safety is organised in the workplace, how safety is arranged within all work areas, risk assessments, safe working procedures, and local procedures. This Toolbox talk details part 3 of the safety management system, the detailed arrangements. Often this section is referred to as the policies and procedures section, but this title clashes with the title of our health and safety policy. Therefore, we use detailed arrangements as the section provides you, the manager and supervisor, with the necessary detail of safety management that are required to be arranged and applied within the workplace. There are many workplace hazards that occur in any workplace, be it a warehouse, factory, transport yard, or office. These hazards present varying levels of risk. Our main risks within the company are forklift trucks, manual handling, and fire, and each of these risks is detailed within Part 3 to ensure that the risks are properly controlled. There are many more workplace hazards that present a wider range of risks to our employees and any other person within that are affected by them. These hazards are well known to the UK industry, so much so that the HSE and the UK government have passed specific legislation to ensure that the hazards and their risks are properly controlled so as not to present a significant risk to workers and those around them. Part 3 of the company's safety management system is a section detailing the arrangements for each main hazard area or a specific risk control. At first glance, these appear to be too many to manage, but as you will see, they all have relevance within your allocated work area. Ignoring the detail within these arrangements is not acceptable. Expecting that someone else will do them for you is unrealistic. Finding the time to read, understand, and apply those that are relevant to your workplace is not only a work requirement, it's a legal requirement too. Effective management of workplace safety is a critical element to your role. Get it wrong and you will be forever faced with too many demands on your work time and run the risk of being prosecuted for neglect. Get it right and you will create the time you need to get your other core work requirements done. 14 of the detailed arrangements are core elements. These are shown in blue. And that is that these are common to all work areas within the company. There may be hazards or risk controls, but your knowledge of each one and how it is applied in your workplace needs to be good. 4 of the elements centre around the risks that can be caused to those people that can be affected by our work activities by virtue of who they are and what they do for us, or where we need to consider the effect of our work on those that are not yet born. These are the persons that are specifically at risk. 13 of the elements relate specifically to the warehouse work environment. Uncontrolled and unsupervised, these work environments become dangerous workplaces, a place where a 2.5-ton forklift truck can maim and kill, where dangerous goods loads can spill or react to create fire or a poisonous atmosphere, and where staff can harm their backs by failing to apply recognised safe working procedures. And then there are 4 elements within Part 3 that specifically relate to the workplace office environment. These hazards seem to be lower risk at first, but there is a cumulative effect to all of them, which can cause long-term harm, injury, and ill health to those that are affected. When all the relevant colours are added to the main list, what once appeared to be an unacceptable reading requirement does not seem to be too bad. However, to sit and read all relevant sections in 1 or 2 sittings is too much. Therefore, these will be sent out at the rate of 1 a month to all managers and supervisors to read, sign, and return. We need to prove to the HSE that we have successfully communicated the safety management system to all of our managers and supervisors. It is hoped that at the end of this communication process you will be better informed, more able to apply the required arrangements and risk controls, and have more confidence in your ability to do the right thing and keep the workplace safe. Remember, the need to maintain or attain a safe working environment is a legal, economic, and moral necessity in today's business world. Communicating our safety management system is one of the company's annual safety objectives, the blue line. Your engagement with these Toolbox talks and acquiring new knowledge, information and safety skills is essential to ensuring that we create safer workplaces where fewer injury incidents occur. Ideally, we don't want anyone in our workplaces to be hurt, harmed or be made ill. By understanding and applying the detailed arrangements that are relevant to the workplace is a critical part in your achieving this goal. Thanks for watching, and we will communicate with you again next month where we explore the world of risk assessments.